Millions of people demonstrating against dictatorship in Egypt, and Tony Blair announces his support for the dictator. Millions of Egyptians trying to be free from a Western-backed dictator. And this reptile, Tony Blair, wades in support of the dictator.
There's a light over there. Who's asking?
Millions of people demonstrating against dictatorship in Egypt, and along comes Tony Blair to declare his support for the dictator. Come and sign a letter here to Alex Salmond to call on the Egyptian dictator to catch a plane to Saudi Arabia. Please come along and stand in solidarity with those great people in the Middle East. Tony Blair comes along to offer his support for the dictator whose thugs are killing heroic demonstrators. Blair supports the dictator who stole scores of billions of dollars. Tony Blair supports the dictator whose thugs are driving cars at high speed into peaceful demonstrators. How long must Britain's shame be allowed to speak in our name in support of crime? Crime in Iraq, crime in Palestine, and crime in Egypt. Please come and sign the letter here to First Minister Salmond to demand that the Egyptian dictator step down immediately and end the crime, despite the support offered to him by Tony Blair. Dictator Mubarak, leave now.
You're looking very frisky. You look a bit like Bush. I know.
Please take a stand with millions of brave people in Egypt and sign this letter to the First Minister of Scotland to demand the Egyptian dictator step down immediately, stop the killing, stop the torture, stop the theft. Please come and sign the letter. A few months ago to say there will be a revolution in Egypt, the response of the Palestinians was, the Egyptians are rubbish. Nothing will ever happen in Egypt. Never does, never will. I said they were wrong. Now we know they're wrong. The people of Egypt are heroes by the million. While he is from Egypt, he wants to share, I think he wants to share his feelings and his ideas with people here, and I think it's really important for us to listen, because we need to join up with the people of Egypt, because Tony Blair has aligned himself completely with the dictator Mubarak. We knew this in the past, but he underlined it again yesterday. While we want to hear what you have to say and give us some news and how you feel.
I just want to start by thanking you all for supporting us, for supporting all the Egyptians. They are dying there in Tahrir Square. Not only these ones, they have been dying now, but only for the people have been dying since 30 years, more than 30 years. You know what we need? You know what all people need? They need their freedom. They don't need anything else. They need a decent life. They need to keep their dignity. They need to keep their life, survive their kids in a better environment. They need only what they need. They just need to be human beings. They need to be feeling just like any one of you feel. Freedom of speech. They can eat and drink clean, eat good food, and drink clean water. They need to just get their freedom back. So I think the most important message they send to all the world that they can do, they can make change, they can make difference. Please, everyone here, don't think that your voice is little. Don't even think that you are just a simple or small thing in the world. You can make change. You can make a revolution. One person can make a revolution. Look to all the revolution all over the world. They've done it because they believe in what they are saying. They believe what they are doing. I think it's very important thing for everyone to believe in himself, to believe in his power. We only need a peaceful transfer of the power there. We just need our President Mubarak to step down and all his regime, because he just destroyed our nation. Our nation is very ancient nation, and it has a very civilized history. And I think everyone here, everyone in the world know about the Egyptians, about the ancient Egyptians. They built the pyramids. They teach the whole world how things should be done. I think we all owe to those people to just support them and to tell them that we support you. We don't want to have any bloodshed. We don't want anyone to hurt. We are here crying that we are not able to help those people. We are not able to be with them. I can assure you guys, everyone there, they don't want to hurt anyone. They don't want to just make any hurt to anyone in the world. But the only thing they want to have is their freedom back. They have to need to have their dignity. They need to have their life back. Our things that we ask for is very simple things. We are not asking for big things. We only ask for very simple things. We need to be human beings. We need to feel that we are human. We have been seen so much blood, so much things that have been done to our nation. We've been destroyed. I think it's now for change. The change has been done all over the world, and I think it's time for Egypt, for this great nation, to do this peacefully. And I do say it again, peacefully. We are not asking for any violence. We're asking for a very simple things in a peaceful way. Just let us do it our way. Let's make the change for Egypt. I think the Egyptian need this, and Egyptians deserve to live a better life. Thank you for your support, and I just hope that our children live and be in the same level to the day that they see the freedom in our country, to see that they can say whatever they want to say without fear, because fear just kills us. Fear just put us in a very narrow part of the world. It's a very dark part of the world. We need to see the light again. We need to have our freedom back. Thank you for your support, everyone here, and I hope that we all be there in the Liberty Square, in the Tahrir Square, and make the peaceful transformation of the power to a new revolution, a new people, a new life, and a better life. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.